Welcome to Sajeeda's kitchen. Today we are preparing Tandoori Pomfret. So let's get started. Here we have taken fish which is already been cleaned. We are cutting out the fins and giving it slits from both the side. You can give slits as per your choice. Here we are giving 3 slits. You might give it 4 as well. Once we finish slitting the fish, let's move towards the first marinade. We are adding some lime juice, turmeric, red chili powder, salt. Spread it evenly all over the fish. Give it a good rub on both the sides. We are resting our first marinade for 10 to 15 minutes. For second marination, in a bowl, add curd, ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder. Here we are using Kashmiri red chili for better color, garam masala powder, besan, ajwain which is also known as carom seeds, salt to taste, and drizzle some oil at the last. Give it a good mix. Once the marinade is ready, apply it on fish well. Do not forget to apply in between the slits so that the fish will turn flavorful. Once the fish is marinated, rest it for at least 30 minutes. Once the marinade is absorbed, place the fish on baking tray. In a preheated oven, place the tray and set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius for 12 minutes. Our tandoori pomfret is ready. Here we have the ingredients. Thanks for watching the video. Please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel if you haven't already subscribed. See you in another video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.